Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on checking the remaining storage on Amazfit watches. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tap the watch's crown to open the app menu. Then open the Settings app. Scroll down Settings and tap System. Tap About. Scroll down the About page and you will see available storage and a number. The number you see is your watch's remaining storage. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Amazfit tips and tricks.